Hello everybody, this is Danny from Deep South Homestead. I'm out here with me and Wanda this morning. We are in our sweet potato patch. We've had tons and tons of rain. The weeds just took over. We have decided it's like 160 something days now. We're pulling the weeds to feed to the turkeys and the chickens.
The Florida pusley.
The Florida pusley. The sweet potato vines will go to the pigs, and then of course we'll be keeping the sweet potatoes ourselves. But we're going to try to see what we can get done here this morning before the sun gets up and gets too hot.
See? Look at the potato.
Oh, look at that. Nice.
I pulled one up. Didn't even realize it. Look how long. One vine. Look at that. One vine.
One thing we noticed, we stuck our sweet potato vines, I think, too deep in the ground. And our sweet potatoes are extremely deep. And we're wondering if that wasn't part of our problem this year with being able to grow them like we normally do. Because normally we have them up on high mounds. And this year, because of the weather, we weren't able to do that. There we go. Nice looking potatoes there. That's the corner of them before I can see, but. This dirt, it's been raining, and the ground is still dry up under here. It's amazing to me how dry it is. Out here in our potato field, look at this, guys. This is how far tree roots will grow. The trees are probably 50 to 75 feet over yonder, and we still got oak roots out here in our garden. Perfect eating size potatoes right there. They're not too big, not too little. Perfect. Okay guys, we haven't had peanuts in this field for probably good 3 years now. To show you how long the seed can last underground, there's a plant growing right here, a peanut plant. Now it may not have no peanuts under it, but it's up on the edge of the row here. It's kind of amazing that a peanut can last that long in the ground. I'm gonna dig it up just because we're gonna plow the field up. See if it done anything coming up on its own. Now these were the Virginia Fancies. I can get it up out of here. Oh, look at this. Look at here. Pretty good for a
rogue peanut.
For a rogue peanut, man. Look at that.
Peanuts.
I'll throw them in with the potatoes over here.
And they're full size.
They're ready to dig.
So if we find peanuts, they're ready to dig to also. Isn't that crazy? A rogue peanut.
Wow. These things has got these stickers has got these little glow black things that come out on them. They make a flower and seeds, and they got thorns all up on the bottom of them. There are thorns all down the stems here. These things are starting to come up in our field this year everywhere. Another plague this year we haven't been contending with down here. So we're gonna have to watch when you grab your sweet potato vines. If you grab your hands up in here, these things just go all in your skin and they hurt. So another problem on the homestead we're having to deal with here.
Holy, no
Look at
way.
that.
Whoa,
No
wow.
freaking way.
Basketball.
Holy
gosh.
darn.
That's a
Are you kidding me?
That's like a basketball.
That's like a
Giant
asteroid.
That's an asteroid.
That's like the thing that falls out of the sky.
That'd blow up the world. That would,
Oh my
that'd
gosh.
be a tsunami if it came from space.
Yeah.
Have you
That could
seen?
take a
Have you
city
done that
out.
before?
That's
No,
called
not
the mother
that.
potato.
Is it?
Yeah,
We've
it's called
not
the mother.
seen that one.
It's called the mother
Have
potato.
you
Yeah.
done that before?
Oh yeah, I used to chop them up, feed them to my cows.
Really?
Really?
Yeah.
I'll put
That's
that in the sun
huge.
oven.
Wow.
We'd have to chop
Ain't
it in
that
like 4
massive?
pieces or better.
Tuba.
We're getting lots of tumor stuff here lately.
Wow.
The grand soda minimum.
Find the cord. It's coming.
Find the cord. Find the cord.
There she is.
Cord. Tie it off.
Yay.
Look at that. All kinds of
Those little
potatoes.
snacks.
Wow, look at that one. Right behind it. There's a big one right there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we got a good mound going on here. Yeah, bring the barrel up.
A lot going on there. Pretty
Want
cool.
the little babies?
Yeah, they get it.
Dig like the dog.
All right, guys, this is a Florida parsley plant. One plant here at Deep South Homestead. This is some of the best animal feed we have found. Chickens eat it, pigs eat it, turkeys eat it. All of our animals eat it. Rabbits eat it. It is just fantastic food. One plant. Now look at this. It grows great here in this sandy ground. It's a good ground cover. It's got one tap root that goes way deep down in the ground. Pulls up nutrients from way deep in the ground. A lot of people look at it as a weed. We look at it as a feed.
We done dug those. Oh, look, look, we found one. Okay, look, thank you. Find some more.
Look.
Come on. Where's the potatoes? We done dug those.
Okay guys, we're gonna call it quits. We've dug 20, maybe 30 feet of two rows here. We dug 20 foot on this one, probably 10 foot on that one. We got 2 buckets here with potatoes. We got one under the Florida parsley there. And the sun's hitting me in the face right here. So we're gonna probably call it quits this morning. We got our sweet potato vines for the pigs. It's all food, guys. Any way you look at it, it's all food. We gotta get that mimosa weed out of here. But we're fixing to take it, go feed the animals. Okay guys, we're out here in our sweet potato patch this morning. We have dug 2 rows here. We're up to 195 pounds of sweet potatoes on these 2 rows. We have 8.5 more to go just in this garden. We have 2 raised beds in the front full of purple potatoes. We have potatoes on the hugel bed. We have potatoes, white potatoes in our front garden. There's no telling how many we're going to end up with this year. We were thinking that sweet potatoes was looking a little slim. But guys, let me tell you something. By letting them stay those extra few days and the weather getting just right, because we're having fall-like weather in the mornings here, the things has just blown out. They're doing fantastic. You know, we're anticipating just as much from the rest of this as we've got from these right here. So God is good at Deep South Homestead, and we're moving forward with our food production. So thank you, Deep South Homestead.